Good morning, students. Exercise 12.3, seventh sum. In figure 12.25, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with a center ABCD. Four circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally two of the remaining three circles. Find the area of the shaded region. They have given the diagram. ABCD is a square. Side of the square is 14 centimeter. With the center of the circle ABCD, four circles are there. From this point ABCD as the center of the circle. So find the area of the shaded region. This region only we are going to find. So what are the informations given means side of the square is given as 14 centimeter. Seventh sum. I have drawn the diagram. This is the diagram and this is the area we are going to find. So given side of the square is given as 14 centimeter. We are going to find area of the shaded region. This center part only is the shaded region. Now in this side of the square is nothing but radius of the circle. So side of the square is nothing but radius of the quadrant. I can take these part only I need from this. From that square, if I am subtracting the four quadrant, I will get this region. So here area of the shaded region is nothing but area of the square minus area of the four quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants I have to subtract. So what is that? Radius of the quadrant is nothing but that is radius is nothing but a diameter, that is a side by 2, because half side only is covered in this radius. So side by 2, 14 by 2, 7 centimeter is the radius. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of the square minus area of 4 quadrants. Here 4 quadrants are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So area of 4 quadrant. Area of the square, what is the formula? Means a square minus 4 quadrants. So I am writing it as 4. What is the formula for quadrant? Is pi r square by 4. Area of the circle by 4 will give you the area of the quadrant. So pi r square by 4. What is the side of the square? Side of the square is given as 14. So 14 into 14 minus 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius. That is radius is nothing but 7 we have calculated. So 7 into 7 by 4. This 4 and this 4 I cancel. Here this 1 7 and 1 7 I cancel. 14 into 14 is 196. Here 22 into 7 is 154. So when I am subtracting 196 minus 154, 42 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region is nothing but 42 centimeter square. Eighth sum. In figure 12.26 depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircle. It is given that racing track in this left side and the right side, both the sides are given as circular, semicircular region. That is what it is, a rectangular track, and both the side we have semicircle. The distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meter. So the distance between the two parallel inner segment is 60 meter, and they are each 106 meter long. So 106 meter long is the length of the track. If the track is 10 meter wide, this wide is 10 meter, find first subdivision the distance around the track along its inner edge, and second subdivision the area of the track. So here it is a circular ring track is given for you. This part is rectangle, this part is rectangle, and this is bounded by two semicircular region, and the width of the track is given as 10, and the distance between the two inner part is given as 60 meter, and long of the track is given as 106 meter. So first, what are the given informations I am writing? Given it is a racing track, left and right end are semicircle it is given. So I have drawn the track with the left and right circle, semicircle. The distance between two inner parallel lines is 60. That is what the distance between two inner parallel lines is 60. And length of the track is 106 meter. Width of the track, that is this width of the track is given as 10 meter. So distance between the two inner and outer edges 10 centimeter. First subdivision, we need to find distance around the track along along its inner edge. What is the inner edge means? What you will say, this part is the inner edge and this is the outer edge. First subdivision they are asking around the inner edge only. So what is the distance of the inner edge track? That is nothing but GL, and this arc, that is LEJ plus JI plus IHG, that is the inner region. So I have written that inner region is nothing but this length G to L plus this I to J I have written first, and then this arc LEJ, that is what arc GH, this part I have written first GHI plus arc LKJ, this is K, LKJ. So what is the length? It is given length as 106 plus 106 plus arc. What is that arc? Area of the perimeter of the semicircle is pi r. So this is nothing but arc region is given in the form of semicircle. So I have substituted semicircle formula, that is pi r, plus for this is again semicircular region arc. So I am substituting pi r. So when I am adding this 106 plus 106 is 212 plus pi value 22/7 into radius of the track is 30. Why it is 30 means, see here it is given as a 60. So what is this distance is a 60. Diameter is a 60 means what will be the radius? Radius is 30. That is why I have written here 30 plus 22/7, the same concept. Diameter of the semicircle is a 60, then radius is nothing but 30. So I have substituted here 30. So 212 plus, when I am simplifying this, I will get 660/7 plus when I am multiplying here 660/7. Now I am just taking LCM and adding. LCM is a 7. So when I am adding this, here I will get 1487, that is 212 into 7 will give you 1484 plus when I am adding 660 plus a 660 I will get 1320. Now add these two, that is 1484 plus 1320 will give you 2804/7. Second part, they are asking you to find the area of the track. So the entire area we are going to find. So here the same concept what last I explained, diameter of the semicircle for this region, diameter, that the distance only. So this is a 60 means what will be the radius? Radius of this is semicircle is 30 meter. Before I forgot to write, that's why I have written here with a pencil. Now capital R, that is radius of the outer ring. So here it is a 60, here it is 10, here it is 10. So when I am adding this, what will be this? Radius is nothing but this part. Capital R is equal to small r plus width. So what is the radius of the outer circle is 30, that is radius small r we have calculated 30 plus this 10, or you can take entire length, that is a 60 plus 10 plus 10, 80/2 also you can take, that is your wish, any manner you can write. So I have written radius is equal to small r plus this width. So 30 plus 10, 40, or you can take entire length and divide by 2. Here area of the track is nothing but, here can you see I have joined one line A and E, and here B to D I have joined. Now this track is divided into 4 parts. This is one rectangular region, first part, and this is also again one rectangular region, second part. And this part is again a semicircle, and this part is again a semicircle with 2 radius. One is inner radius, another is outer radius. So area of the track is equal to area of 2 rectangles. This is first rectangle and this is a second rectangle, plus area of 2 circular path. This is first circular path and this is second circular path. That is area of the track. Step by step only we are going to solve this sum. So first I am going to find radius of the rectangle. What is the formula to calculate area of the rectangle? Is length into breadth. What is the length here? 106 is the length, and breadth is what is the breadth is 10 here. For this part alone I am going to find. So length is 106, breadth is 10. So when I am multiplying 1060, area of two rectangle. For this part first I have calculated. For this I am going to calculate second part. So area of the two rectangle is nothing but 2 into 1060. So I will get 2120 meter square. First I have find it for the rectangular region. So I am marking it as 1. Now I am going to find for the circular path. So area of the circular path is nothing but area of the outer circular region minus area of the inner circular region. For the outer radius I have taken it as capital R, that is 40. For the inner circular region I have taken small r, that is 30. Sorry, this is 40 and that is 30. So what is the formula? Area of the outer region. Here it is a circular region. So area of the circle, semicircular region. Okay. So half pi r square. Semicircle means what is the formula? Half pi r square minus half pi small r square. Both are semicircular region. So I am taking the semicircle formula, that is half pi r square. Only difference is outer region capital R, inner region smaller, that is the difference. Now from this what I can take a common is 1 by 2 I can take a common. Here also pi is there, here also pi is there, so I can take pi also as common. What is that remaining term? Capital R square minus a small r square. What is the capital R value? That is 40 square minus 30 square. Now look at this, it looks like a square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus b into a minus b is the formula. So I am going to split this. 1 by 2 I have written as it is. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7. Here it looks like a square minus b square. So how can I write a plus b, a minus b? That is 40 plus 30 is the first term. 40 minus 30, that is a plus b, a minus b I have split it. Now this 2 and 22 I am cancelling, 11s are. So 11 by 7. Here when I am adding 40 plus 30 I will get a 70. Here 40 minus 30 I will get a 10. Now this when I am multiplying I can cancel because here into only, so I am cancelling. 7 and 70 I have cancelled 10 times. Now 100 is this, here 11 is there. So 11 into 100 is 1120. For one circular region this is the value. Now we have to calculate for the other side also. So area of the second circular part is 2 into that first one, 1100 into 2. So 2200 meters square, mark it as a second. So what is that we have written? Area of the track is nothing but area of the two rectangle plus area of the two circular region. Area of the two circle we have find it as 2120. Area of the two circular region we have find it as 2200. So area of the track is nothing but we have to add area of the two circular region, that is 2120 plus area of the two circular region 2200. When I am adding this I will get 4320 meters square. Thank you children.